So in this video, you'll learn how to change the sound for notifications on your Samsung Galaxy S25. For this video, I'll be using the S25 Ultra, but these instructions will apply across the whole series. So now, if you don't like the sound that normally comes whenever you receive a notification, this is what you need to do to change it. Start by opening the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select Sounds and Vibration. From here, tap on Notification Sound, and then if you have two SIM cards added, you should see the section for SIM 1 and then the one for SIM 2. So what I'll tell you is going to apply for both SIM cards, so all I need to do is just select my preferred SIM card. Then once you've selected your preferred SIM card, you should see all the sounds that you have available. So you have Brightline, which is the Samsung brand sound, and then you have any other options that you can see when you scroll through this list of options. And you'll notice that's separated into different categories based off what the sound would sound like. So you just want to scroll through the list and choose your preferred option. And then when you want to hear how the sound sounds like, just select it. And then you'll hear the preview. If you don't like how it sounds, then you can just go back and scroll through the list until you find your preferred option, and then just tap on it, and then you'll hear how it sounds like. You can also choose to use the slider to customize how loud you want the notification sound volume to be. So you can increase or you can decrease, completely up to you. Then when you're happy, you can just exit the Settings app with the changes applied. So now, whenever you receive a notification on your phone, you should hear your selected sound ringing or being heard, and you can just tap on it to view the notification. And so that's how you can change the notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.